Imagine this, a magical cream that can make you look 15 years younger. Yes, you heard that right. No expensive treatments, no harsh chemicals, just pure natural goodness straight from your kitchen. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate anti-aging secret, a DIY cream that's loaded with collagen-boosting ingredients to tighten your skin, reduce wrinkles, and give you that radiant, youthful glow. And the best part? It's quick, easy, and oh so effective. What if I told you there's a secret cream you can make right at home that can turn back the clock and give you skin so youthful and radiant, people won't believe your age? Sounds like magic, right? Curious to know what's inside this little jar of magic? Stick with me because we're diving into every detail, including how each ingredient works, wonders for your skin. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Today, I'm sharing an anti-aging miracle, a DIY coffee-based cream that will have you looking 15 years younger. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started and unlock the secret to timeless beauty together. Now, I have a question for you. What's the one ingredient in your kitchen you think is a skincare superhero? Is it coffee, coconut oil, or maybe something else? Let me know in the comments below, because we're diving deep into each ingredient today to reveal their magical skincare benefits. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to GlamGuide, your ultimate beauty guide for glowing skin and healthy living. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our wonderful community. Now, let's get started on this magical anti-aging cream. You'll need just a handful of ingredients, and I bet you already have most of them in your kitchen. Let's break down what makes each one so powerful for your skin. Today, we're creating something extraordinary, an all-natural, anti-aging cream that's going to make you look and feel 15 years younger. Now, I have a question for you. What's the one ingredient in your kitchen you think is a skincare superhero? Is it coffee, coconut oil, or maybe something else? Let me know in the comments below because we're diving deep into each ingredient today to reveal their magical skincare benefits. Let's get started. Step 1. The magic begins. Coffee powder. We're starting with the superstar of this recipe, coffee powder. Add 2 spoons of it to a clean vessel. Now, let me tell you why coffee isn't just for waking you up, but also for waking up your skin. Caffeine stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a vibrant, youthful glow. It's loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Plus, it tightens the skin, reducing puffiness and smoothing fine lines. Quick question. Did you know coffee could do all this for your skin? If this surprises you, type "wow" in the comments. Step 2. Add the skin tightening secret, cornstarch. Next, we're adding 1 spoon of cornstarch. This ingredient might seem simple, but don't underestimate its power. It's a natural skin tightener, smoothing out wrinkles and fine lines like a charm. It also absorbs excess oil, making it perfect for balanced, glowing skin. Mix the coffee and cornstarch together thoroughly. Can you guess what happens when these two combine? That's right, they create the perfect base for our creamy texture. If you love learning about hidden skincare gems like this, hit the like button right now. Step 3. Bring it to life with water. Now add a little water, just enough to stir the mixture smoothly. Mix well. Place it on low heat and stir continuously. As the mixture heats up, you'll notice it thickening into a rich, creamy texture. This step is so satisfying. Watching these humble ingredients transform into a luxurious cream feels like a mini spa moment at home. Do you enjoy making DIY skincare? If you've tried any before, share your favorite recipe in the comments below. Once the coffee powder and cornstarch mixture thickens into a creamy, velvety texture, it's time to turn off the stove. Let it cool for a few moments, just enough to handle comfortably while still preserving its potency. Now, here's the exciting part. Gently transfer this luscious mixture into a clean bowl. Step 4. Olive oil, the repair expert. Once your mixture cools slightly, it's time to add the oils. Starting with 1 spoon of olive oil. This is a game changer. Olive oil is packed with vitamin E, which repairs skin damage and boosts elasticity. It deeply nourishes, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and youthful. Mix it in, and let's take a moment to appreciate how silky this cream is becoming. Doesn't it already feel like something you'd find in a high-end spa? If you love olive oil as much as I do, drop a in the comments. Step 5. Coconut oil, the collagen booster. Next, let's add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a skincare superhero, and here's why. It promotes collagen production, keeping your skin firm and bouncy. It hydrates deeply, reducing dryness and preventing wrinkles. As I mix it in, can you guess which country is known for using coconut oil in their beauty rituals for centuries? Hint, it's tropical. Comment your guess below, and let's see who gets it right. Step 6. Almond oil, the glow enhancer. Now, let's add 1 spoon of almond oil. This golden elixir is a powerhouse of vitamin E, which repairs and rejuvenates your skin, giving it a youthful glow. This oil is like liquid gold for your skin. It contains retinoids that reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. It also fades dark spots and evens out your complexion. Mix the almond oil into the cream and watch it become even more luxurious. Pro tip: warm almond oil is also fantastic for under-eye massage to reduce puffiness. Have you ever tried it? If not, now's the time to experiment. Step 7. Aloe vera gel, the healer. And finally, the finishing touch, 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. This is the secret to soothing and hydrating your skin. Aloe vera is rich in enzymes and vitamins that rejuvenate tired skin. It calms inflammation and leaves your skin feeling cool and refreshed. Aloe vera is known for boosting collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful, making it a must-have for anti-aging remedies. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the bowl and give it a good mix. How to use and store the cream. Now that our luxurious anti-aging cream is ready, let's talk about how to use it for the best results, how to store it, and what you can expect when you make this a part of your skincare routine. Trust me, your skin is about to go on a transformative journey. To keep your cream fresh and effective, transfer it to a clean, airtight jar. Store it in the fridge. This not only extends its shelf life, but also gives it a cool, refreshing texture when you apply it. Imagine starting or ending your day with this soothing, chilled cream on your skin. It's like an instant spa moment at home. Now, let's talk about what you can expect from this miracle cream. Here's how it works. The caffeine from the coffee stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a youthful glow and reducing puffiness. Cornstarch and olive oil smooth out wrinkles and firm up sagging skin, leaving it soft and silky. Coconut oil and almond oil work together to boost collagen production, lighten dark spots, and deeply nourish your skin. Aloe vera gel soothes and hydrates, making your skin feel cool, refreshed, and baby soft. With regular use, you'll notice fewer wrinkles and fine lines, improved skin elasticity. Your skin will feel firmer and more youthful, a brighter, even-toned complexion that glows from within. To use, start with clean, dry skin. This helps the cream absorb deeply into your skin for maximum benefits. Take a small amount of the cream on your fingertips. You don't need much. It's rich and potent. Gently apply it to your face and neck in upward, circular motions. Pay special attention to areas prone to fine lines, like around your eyes and mouth. Massage for a couple of minutes. Not only does this boost absorption, but it also improves blood circulation, giving you that natural glow. Here's a tip. Use it every night before bed. While you sleep, this cream works tirelessly to repair and rejuvenate your skin. And when you wake up, expect soft, plump, and radiant skin. So, what do you think? Are you ready to pamper your skin with this easy-to-make, powerful cream? If you try this, let me know in the comments how it works for you. I'd love to hear your results. And if you're as excited as I am about this cream, share this video with your friends and family who love skincare. Let's spread the glow together. So, what are you waiting for? Try this magical cream today, and let me know your results in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty tips and remedies. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.